Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to redeem codes in Last War Survival. Alright, let's begin. First, load up the game and click on your profile icon in the top left corner. From there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, choose the option to copy your ID. Once you have copied your ID, you should see a message confirming that it was copied successfully. Now, close out of Last War and open your browser. Next, search for Last War Gift Center on Google and click on the first link that appears. Once on the site, paste your user ID into the designated section. To do this, press and hold in the text box and then click on Login. The site should automatically detect your account. Now, you will see a field where you can enter your gift code. You can find various codes online or from promotions. After entering the code, click on Done to confirm your entry. Once confirmed, you should receive your rewards in the game. So that's basically how you can redeem codes in Last War Survival. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.